Hello, little champs. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, in the earlier class, we learned about punctuations. And I hope you have done all the exercise part of that chapter. And also, you have done that paragraph writing on water by using the correct punctuation mark, and also the first letter. And also, you have made that first letter the capital one. So now let's move into the new chapter, that is chapter 24, direct and indirect speech. So this chapter is new for you as you have not studied in the previous classes. So let's go deeply in this chapter. Read the following conversation between a student and a teacher. So you have to read the conversation between the student and the teacher. What is the shape of the earth? The student is asking to the teacher. The teacher is saying, Geeta, the earth is round. Next, sir, how many stars are there in the sky? We cannot count the number of stars in the sky. Next, why is the sun so important to us? The sun is important to us because it gives us heat and light. Now it is saying complete the following sentences to tell what teacher told Geeta. So here you have to complete the sentences to tell what teacher had told about what teacher had given the answer to Geeta. First one, the teacher said that dash round. The teacher said that the earth is round. Next one, he said that we dash stars. He said that we cannot count the number of stars. Next one, the teacher said that the dash. The teacher said that the sun is important to us because it gives us heat and light. The conversation in the picture above uses direct speech. So basically the conversation you have seen already, these were the direct speech. The dialogues are the exact words used by the Geeta and the teacher. The sentences you completed right now use indirect speech to tell us what the teacher told Geeta. So in the indirect one, as you can see, the word that, okay. So basically it is telling to the third person that what teacher had told about the things to Geeta, okay. Read these sentences. Riya said, I wake up early in the morning. So this is the direct speech. As you can see, after Riya said, there is comma, then there is inverted comma, double inverted comma, and between that there is a sentence that is the dialogue of the Riya, okay. Riya said, I wake up early in the morning. This is the direct speech. Now you have to convert it into the indirect form. Riya said that. So after Riya said, there is no comma. There is the word that is THAT, that. Riya said that she wakes up early in the morning. This is indirect speech, okay. Some rules we should know. So there are some rules that one must know. First point, we use inverted commas, quotation mark, that is also known as quotation mark, in direct speech. We do not use quotation mark in indirect speech. We use the word that in indirect speech to report what the speaker has spoken. Now let's do some exercise. Time to do. The first question is given below are pair of sentences. Write direct or indirect in front of each sentences. So you just have to point it like whether it is direct one or indirect one. First one, Hina said, I like roses. So here you can see clearly the comma and the inverted one, the quotation mark. So this is the direct speech. Next, Hina said that she likes roses. This is indirect speech. Next one, Tara says that she goes for a walk every day. Here you can clearly see the word that. That means it is indirect speech. Tara says, I go for a walk every day. You can clearly see the quotation mark. So this is the direct speech. Like this, you have to first read carefully the sentences and then recognize them whether they are the direct one or the indirect one. Okay. Now next question is rewrite the following sentences in direct speech. After putting the quotation mark, one has been done for you. First one, Katy said, I am going for a swim. So here, how you want to write? Katy said, comma, then in the quotation mark, you want to write, I am going for a swim. Next one, Uday said, let's sit out in the sun. Uday said, comma, then in the quotation mark, between that quotation mark, you have to write down, let's sit out in the sun. Like this, you have to rewrite the sentence by writing them in the form of direct speech. Okay. Next question is fill in the blanks or change the sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Don't forget to use THAT, that word. One has been done for you. First one, Harish said, it is a hot day. So in indirect one, it will become Harish said that it is a hot day. Next one, Lata said he is a pilot. Lata said that he is a pilot. Next one, Rohan said Aziz must spend time with his grandparents. Rohan said that Aziz must spend time with his grandparents. Like this, you have to convert the direct speech into indirect one. Okay, I hope student that you understood this chapter, and your homework is you have to do the exercise part. You have to convert the direct speech into indirect one. Till then, students, take care. Bye bye.